Hi, my name is Reverend Butter, and I'm the owner of DLG Ice Factory. So DLG Ice Factory was created in March of 2000. It was a brainchild of ours that we wanted to create ice sculptures that were outside of your wedding pieces and buffet brunch pieces. We wanted to take this to ice bars, something bigger, better, original ideas, interactive ice sculptures, like from cornhole games to ice thrones that you could sit on and take selfies with. It's been 19 years we've been in business, and it's grown every year. It's doubled in size, and we're one of the top companies in the United States, ranked number 2 in the world. And we preach dedication. Without dedication to your craft and without loyalty to it, you won't achieve greatness. You can't achieve greatness. So you have to put in time, you got to put in work. 8% of ice sculptors in the whole world still do it by hand. The other 92% are fabricated with machines. So it's a growing business, but a dying art. And we dedicate our life to our art. So we design the sculpture for them. We cater to their theme, to whatever they want at their event, to make sure they get a one-of-a-kind piece. Every client we do an ice sculpture for, they always come back, because it's not just a one-time deal. We really care about what we do. DLG Ice Factory has been doing events at all kinds of banquet halls, from Galveston to El Campo, Texas. And in 19 years, we've seen many places. We've worked with many vendors. We started maybe about 5 years ago with the bell tower. And it's been a great experience because they've always treated us with respect. It says a lot for a venue, because when the vendors come in, the way you're treated says a lot. They treat us with respect. They believe in us. They trust us to give their client the best ice sculpture we can possibly give them. And I love the venue. Whenever you go there, it's so different from any other venue, because every room, it's like another place in time, I guess you can say. I've carved ice outside in the atrium where it looks like Greece. I mean, there's these big columns. I had fire coming out of the water. There's nowhere in Houston where you can get something like that. It's amazing. Our mission statement says that our goal is to exceed our customers' expectations. And that goes hand in hand with the bell tower, because when I've seen them work, they've always gone above and beyond for their clients. The bell tower in 34th makes it easy.